Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called Quick and Easy Meals. So let's get started, guys. Wow. So the host of this collab is Buckeye Girls Recent Things and Simply Grace Lifestyle. You could always tell when my son is in the background, so that's why I'm laughing. But we're going to be making some Mexican hot dogs, and this is, like I said, a quick and easy meal. We're going to pop these hot dogs inside of the microwave, and then this right here is some chili, and it is not homemade chili, it's chili out of the can. Then we have some cheese, we have some ketchup, and the low-carb mission wraps. So you'll see how I put all this together. Let me give you a little bit of music here. Let me play some music in the background and I'll be right back with you. So let me tell you a quick and funny story. When my kids were little, especially Matthew, I remember the bus driver, he would make those funny noises that you're hearing in the background, and the bus driver said, it's like they have their own language. I mean, I didn't even know where to put my face. Lord Jesus, help me. So now normally I would not have to do this. This would not be falling apart. But where I had these tortillas situated, I had something hot underneath like the microwave or probably that air fryer. So they stuck together. So I needed to use two, which by the way, two of them is probably perfect because of all the stuff I'm putting in this tortilla. So it just happened to work out. So you see me trying to pull it apart and some holes coming in there. But guys, I did need two of the tortilla wraps anyway, so let's get to putting this together. All right, so we got the two hot dogs out of the microwave, and now this is the chili. I just heated it up. Now we're gonna go ahead and place that on top of those hot dogs, covering that generously. And then we're gonna go ahead and start layering with cheese. And I think I decided last minute to use onion. And of course we needed to have the ketchup because I love the ketchup over the hot dogs and the chili. I just don't know. But this is so delicious. Okay, now doesn't this look absolutely delicious? It tastes just as good as it looks. So let's head on over to the review, guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next week for quick and easy meals.